Hey guys, today we're going to talk about what is AWS Glue Data Catalog. So AWS Glue Data Catalog is an index to the location and schema of your data. So your data could be in S3, DynamoDB, or any kind of data store. Even it's not required to be S3 bucket only, but it can be multiple partition within the S3 bucket also. AWS Data Catalog contain reference to the data that is used as source and target of your ETL job in AWS Glue. So this one simplify writing your Glue jobs if you start using Glue Data Catalog as a reference to the data stores. Information in the data catalog is stored as metadata tables, where each table specifies a single data store. Typically, you run a crawler to take inventory of the data in your data store, but there are other ways to add metadata tables into your data catalog. So you can add through Glue jobs also, or you can through Glue console also. You can create the data catalog tables also. So if you look at this design diagram, so you can have multiple data store like S3, RDS, Redshift, DynamoDB, or any other kind of data store which you can connect to the JDBC. So data store no need to be exactly like high level these technologies, but it could be still a partition within this S3 bucket also. So what happens? So there is a crawler also in AWS Glue, so those runs and it can pick a like built-in classifier also or a custom classifier also. Like for connecting to the DynamoDB and S3, so I think by default the built-in classifiers are good enough for those kind of standard AWS native services. But if you are, let's say, you are trying to connect to this some another data store which is not like native to AWS, so you might need a JD, some sort of like custom classifiers, so which are like for JDBC data stores. And then it's connect to the data store, so you have to provide the credential to connect to the data store also, and then it's infer the schema. So all these functionality are provided by the crawlers, and then they write all this metadata into the data catalog. So, and then what's the design of data catalog? I'll say high level, it has a database, and under database you can create the tables. So these tables doesn't contain actual data, but it's a metadata about these tables, about these data stores. Thank you so much.